struggled online for nearly 2 years trying to sell or recruit, and all I wanted to do was be a stay-at-home mom. I finally found something that's actually working and it isn't consuming my life. I can just trade whenever I want to, and I've quadrupled my money.
That was my biggest fear when I first got started, that I would be stuck to my computer trying to learn how to trade. But I remember my first night of actually trying to go through the training. I took about 2-3 hours. I set it aside. I went through the training modules on trading, and I'm not the smartest guy, so I really appreciated it that they broke it down into a simple language for me. And that night, after watching the 2-3 hours of training, I set my first trade, and the next morning I woke up to my first profitable trade, and I couldn't have been more excited. And since then, it's just been a growing ball of momentum for me.
I had never traded my whole life. I had never done any type of financial work. I'm always been in an IT background, and it was straightforward and simple for me. No need to draw up all these charts and stuff, and makes it very simple. So highly encourage you to try it out. A great system, great support, and a great community. Always somebody around to help you.
I went through the training, the micro profit system trading. I use the tools they have called Trade Finder, and my last 4 trades have yielded a 7% profit, a 4% profit, a 6% profit, and another 7% profit.
What's going on? I was able to quit my full-time job in less than 6 months just because of this system alone, and now I'm a full-time crypto trader.
Now I'm making 1%, 2%, even 4% trades on a daily basis.
Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here on a jet ski at Lake Morgan in Alabama, Birmingham, and just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the micro profit system in iCoinPro. I actually do a live trade room. I'm going to be doing my live trade room again when I get back from vacation, and you can actually use the micro profit system to make money, and you don't have to recruit. So that's what's really cool about the iCoinPro system, is that you don't have to know how to recruit to be able to make money in this program, and there's multiple ways that you can do that. However, day trading is not difficult with the micro profit system. You can spend 20 to 30 minutes per day being able to day trade and use the software, and you don't need to spend all your time on charts and looking at it all day. So the iCoinPro micro profit system is actually my favorite network marketing product. It's an asset, not a liability, and so you can actually use the product to make legitimate income in cryptocurrency without having to recruit people. And also, you can share your results in iCoinPro on Facebook and YouTube, and people are going to be able to see that the program works, okay? So if you want to live the laptop lifestyle, enjoy times like this. My family's out riding back there. We got Uncle Joe, my sister Dawson, and my dad. We're all riding right now, having fun in the morning. We are leaving today. We spent a whole week out here, and we're going back to Arizona. But anyways, guys, I just want to talk a little bit about the iCoinPro micro profit system and why it's a good system to get started. It's not expensive. It's only $50 a month. $40 a month for the training, $10 a month for the tool. So it's a no-brainer, right? And then I actually am someone that coaches my team every day. I actually coach you on day trading. I coach you on how to use the tool. I coach you on how to actually find trades and actually be able to make money using the iCoinPro system very easily. So I've been able to take all the training and boil it down to about 10 to 15 minutes of actual work for you to be able to make money. And I demoed that in my live trade room. So go ahead and check that out, or ask me in the comments if you need to. But thank you so much, guys. I just wanted to shoot a little video about the micro profit system and why I like this system. And also, I'm a top 8 recruiter at the time of making this video. I'm about to be top 7. So you want to get started on my team because you want to build a matrix compensation plan with leaders. There's no reason to build a matrix compensation plan by yourself because it's very difficult to do that. But if you have a team leader that's actually putting people under you, like me, and then their team's putting people under you, that's going to be way more powerful. So we have people duplicating on my team, and we actually have people getting results on my team. So there's no place better to start than with Justin and on Team Temple or on Temple's team. So, you know, you can actually get started with someone on my team, and it all works the same because it's MLM. But anyways, I also build your funnel, build your network marketing system. I help you get traffic, leads, and sales. I give you my traffic resource. My funnel is the best funnel in iCoinPro. No one can compare to me, period. I have the best numbers, and I make it very easy and practical for the average person to be able to succeed in iCoinPro because I actually create everything for you and coach you on how to do everything. So I'm the best person to get started with. I actually work with you one-on-one, and you can leverage my team and me for your team. So for example, I do a live trade room, and you can actually invite your team onto my trade room. So now you don't have to teach people anything. You just have to get people in and then send them to my trade room, and I will coach them. I will show them how to day trade. You don't have to even do anything. You just got to learn how to day trade and then show your results on Facebook or YouTube, and people will join. And then you send them over to my trade room, and I'll coach them for you. So that way, it's really easy for you. How awesome is that? So thank you so much for being on this video. I really enjoy the iCoinPro micro profit system. I never thought there would be a network marketing company like this where the product actually helps you make money. So thank you so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and click the link down below right now to get started in iCoinPro, so that way you can ride jet skis and make money at the same time. All right, have a wonderful day. Click that link down below right now. Click that link down below. Thank you so much.